Get ready to witness the return of a true legend. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is here to revive the golden era of American muscle cars with a modern twist. But does it live up to the Bel Air legacy? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is its unapologetically bold front fascia. It proudly maintains the signature wide grille with its retro chrome detailing, instantly reminiscent of the 1957 original, but with modern LED lighting elements integrated smoothly. The Bel Air badge, gleaming in gold, serves as a reminder of the car's prestigious heritage. What makes this model stand out is the blend of retro appeal with modern technology. Those sleek headlights are not just about looks. They pack powerful adaptive LED beams for crystal-clear night vision. From the side, the 2025 Bel Air stays true to its original roots, especially with the long sweeping lines and white wall-inspired tires, but adds a bit of 21st century muscle. It has that classic two-tone color scheme with sharp flowing chrome accents that draw your eyes from the front fender to the rear. The wide gold wheels, fitted with modern performance tires, give it an aggressive stance, hinting at the power it packs underneath. Now, if you thought the front was a showstopper, wait until you see the rear. The 2025 Bel Air honors the iconic tailfin design, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. Those dual exhaust tips, nestled beneath the Bel Air's signature taillights, give it an extra dose of muscle car appeal. With intricate chrome detailing and sharp tailfin edges, it's hard not to be mesmerized by the craftsmanship here. Now let's talk about what really makes this beast roar: the engine. Underneath the sculpted hood lies a modern V8 engine that pays homage to the powerful motors of the 50s. However, this time around, it's a hybrid powerhouse combining a turbocharged V8 with electric motor assist, pushing over 600 horsepower. Imagine the thrill of stepping on the gas and feeling that instantaneous torque from the electric motors before the gasoline engine takes over to propel you down the road. This car is designed for both speed and efficiency, a fitting evolution for the 21st century. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a head-turner in every way. It merges classic Americana with cutting-edge technology, giving us the best of both worlds. A car that not only looks stunning, but also performs like a modern muscle car should. If you're a fan of nostalgic designs with futuristic performance, this is the car for you. So, what do you think? Does the 2025 Bel Air live up to its legendary name? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest automotive icons.